Welcome to Creative Art Studio. My name is Ben, and I'm a staff member here. Was the apron a giveaway? Today I'll be telling you why our business is the perfect spot for your next team building event. So, first things first, what is Creative Art Studio? Our business is a do-it-yourself art studio located in Royal Oak, Michigan. That means when you come here, you won't be shopping for art, you'll be making it yourself. But please, don't worry. No previous experience is necessary. Our staff will help you every step of the way. So, what can you make? A fan favorite activity is pottery painting. Select pieces from the hundreds you see on our shelves and then paint them. Our staff will fire your pieces in our kilns and return glossy, vibrant masterpieces. Looking for something a little more involved? Try wheel throwing. Learn how to create and then paint your own pieces on our pottery wheels. No two are ever the same. What else? How about glass fusing? Create a type of glass collage that our staff can melt down in our glass kilns. We can even turn your pieces into plates, bowls, and vases. Looking for projects you can take home day of? I don't blame you, it's hard to wait. And we've got you covered. Mosaics are a great option. Decorate wooden bases with the rainbow's worth of tiles from our shelves. Looking to paint? How about canvas painting? Select a design from our website and then follow along as our instructor helps turn your blank canvas into a work of art. A nice spin on traditional canvas painting is pallet board painting. Use a stencil of a selected design to decorate and then paint a wooden pallet. The best part? Take it home as soon as it's dry. Holy moly, that was a lot. So here's a quick recap. We offer pottery painting, wheel throwing, glass fusing, mosaics, canvas painting, and pallet board painting. Our staff can steer you towards the project that best suits your group's size, goals, and interests. Our studio offers a highly customizable experience, and that extends to the space itself. In addition to the main studio, which you can see, we also offer a private room that's just for your group. Our private room is set up with tables, chairs, a refrigerator and freezer, and seats around 20. Make this space your own. Decorate the walls and tables any way you like. My favorite things to bring in, food and hotel. The bottom line, the space is all yours. The best part, the work you create here lasts a lifetime. You'll have a keepsake that represents you, your team, and your business or organization. Creative Art Studio has been operating in Royal Oak since 2003, and it's been a hit ever since. We've even been featured on the local news on several occasions. For more information about our offerings, visit our website, creativeartstudios.com. For questions or bookings, call us at 248-544-2234 or shoot us an email at casroyaloak@gmail.com. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. We'll see you soon.